What the hell is that, Will?
I think Mo.
Oh, I sent this.
This is your.
I just
story,
thought
right?
it was really like just another good look at the Cybertruck. This is a fun little. They're throwing out ice creams to the workers, but we get a glimpse of the back of the Cybertruck.
What
But
is
it's
that? What is it, an
mainly
ice
the
cream
people.
sandwich? Is it an ice cream sandwich?
I didn't check. I was more just interested in the
You're
Cybertruck.
Very curious about the ice cream sandwich.
Well, I just wonder what type of ice cream you toss like that, right? You can't have a cone involved; it's gonna crack.
I also
They're
thought-
tossing so casual. It's an ice cream sandwich, got to be.
I thought the timing was kind of interesting when we watched the Ford commercial, and they're all about their employees.
Right, and we came up with the idea. We said you got to show the employees, yeah.
Right, and then this came out.
So they listen to us, is what you're saying.
You gotta check out Lou later.
No, don't do it, Will. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Are we sure that's not copyright or something?
Oh yeah, it's definitely copyright. You know, Will didn't do his homework on that. No chance.
No, I got the license.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
I did.
Sure, bud. We'll see about that. This is
So this is just handing out
it's a
ice
good
cream.
look. It's a
to
good look.
Giga
Yeah.
Texas builders.
Good look. Yeah, they got a Cybertruck rolling around, and the Cybertruck's off road. It's on the dirt. It's on the job site, so it's kind of a good ad for the Cybertruck.
Yeah.
It's got the wheels though. They're
The Warthog wheels.
yeah.
Good. Put those
Good
on.
for them.
I don't want those other
That's
wheels.
cool.
I want the Warthog wheels. Please and thank you. The bed doesn't look huge. You notice that?
No, it doesn't.
Bed's looking a little small, but I don't know. It's hard to tell. Cybertruck looks awesome. Bed looks a bit small, and there's a ramp on it.
Yeah, I just noticed that it went up. So you kind of lose a little bit more space.
You might lose some space as a Tesla investor.
Yeah.
See the way he got it? You might.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Can you fit a sheet of plywood in that bed? I'm like, no, just barely you can't.
Yeah.
He's like,
But might pull my money out.
Just sweating.
No, long term.
Ice cream is good. Workforce is good. It's hot over there. Look at, you can tell. It's hot over there.
And they're working.
Work is going on.
Yeah.
And everybody wants the ice cream. You can see the one guy shoved.
doesn't?
The one guy shoved.
Did he?
He got
Okay.
it. He needed
All right, we
He
need to know.
needed it.
He needed to get
More
in
than
there.
anyone.
You'll see here. Let's wait for it. That was a good toss. Good toss. Good catch, actually. The catch is better than the toss.
Oh, even better catch.
You got to watch for the shove here. Somebody really needs it. And it's going to be real soon. They come running down the scaffolding.
Okay.
Look over here.
Oh,
I saw a little traffic jam.
Get out of my
A
way.
little ice cream traffic jam.
Yeah.
Man, you guys remember the ice cream truck when you were kids?
Oh my God, loved it. You don't see them anymore.
That crazy, the music would go on, and the
Yeah.
kids would just
It'd be such a panic. Be like,
kids
Mom,
just
give
get
me the money.
They
Give me
get crazy. Where is he? Where is he? They just start running in all directions.
You run out in your neighborhood, and you try to like hear it and run towards it.
The guy's got ice cream, Mom. You don't, Mom. He's got ice cream in his truck.
Yeah.
I give him the money. What would you go for in an ice cream truck?
Always something different.
What?
I don't know why, but I would always go for something different. I'd be like, I had the banana split. Now what can I have?
Every time.
Yeah.
You look at the board.
Probably had the SpongeBob one the most. I've had that maybe like a few times.
Right.
You've seen it, right?
It's
like
on a stick.
It's on a stick.
Yeah, I was kind of against the stick.
Oh, okay.
I
You're
was-
like ice cream trucks got to be cone.
Well, I would get the dip, the chocolate.
Oh
dip
yeah. Dip
upside
it.
down.
You do a
Yeah.
twist dip.
So
Whoa.
So it's chocolate and vanilla in the thing. Are those bubble gum in the eyeballs?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I usually get the Sonic one.
So 1 million years ago, when I was 10, maybe there
Okay.
used to be a guy on a bike, and
Oh,
he
yeah.
and
Yes.
he only had the pre-pack ones.
Yes, the cones.
He couldn't have he didn't have the soft serve
Yeah.
on the bike.
Yeah.
So it's a different story.
He just had a freezer literally attached to his bike.
Attached to his bike.
and he would bike around.
He looked like on the left. Give me the guy on the left, Dickie D. No. On the left, Dickie
you're
D.
right.
No, down one, down. Yes, that's what it was. Big stop sign on the front. He had the rocket. Everybody knows the rocket, the red, white, and blue.
Classic.
He would have had a cone, but the cone was the pre-pack. It would have been your what do they call those ones?
Like
Drumstick.
okay,
Oh, yeah.
It would have been a drumstick style.
Mm-hmm.
But it was a different story. The guy on the bike, the guy in the truck. You can't hear this guy.
Yeah.
He just had a bell. He just ding, ding, ding. You got to be close, man. He could only really go to the park.
He's hitting up the parks. That's what he's
He
doing.
could only go to the park because you can't hear him from far away.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a little slower on a bike there. But the ice cream showing up is a big deal every time. And Tesla knows it. And so I'm feeling I got to buy some stock or something after that.
Okay.
They're passing the ice cream around. It's morale.
Uh-huh.
I think we're going to have to get some ice cream in this place.
Yeah,
I agree.
yeah.
Because
I
you
agree.
know something is like the morale is low.
It lightens the mood so immediately.
And that's right. So